Learn Welsh fast. I need equals.
Mae arna I angen.
English Welsh Essentials. Warm welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus drills. Imagine your phone at 1% sighing, then yelling.
Mae arna I angen, trydan.
I need electricity. Today you'll master the Welsh for I need.
Mae arna I angen.
Repeat after me. I need.
Mae arna I angen.
Quick mnemonic. Maya equals may arna I angen. Tap your chest, me, and reach forward, need, as you say it. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for what you need clearly and confidently in Welsh. Target structure. I need.
Mae arna I angen.
Example 1. I need a glass of water.
Mae arna I angen gwydraid o ddŵr.
Example 2. When I study, I need silence.
Pan dwi'n astudio, mae arna I angen distawrwydd.
Example 3. Right now, I need to rest.
Ar hyn o bryd, mae arna I angen gorffwys.
Need versus want.
Mae arna I angen.
Does not equal.
Dwi eisiau.
I want. Forms and time travel. Let's flex the phrase through time, plus negation and questions. Present. I need coffee.
Mae arna I angen coffi.
Past. I needed a map.
Roedd arna I angen map.
Future. I will need water.
Bydd arna I angen dŵr.
Negative. I don't need sugar.
Does dim angen arna I siwgr.
Question. Do I need a ticket?
Oes arna I angen tocyn.
Compare must. I must work.
Rhaid I fi gweithio.
Must.
Rhaid I fi.
Is different from need.
Mae arna I angen.
Closing parenthesis dot. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Listen in, then repeat with flair. A. Do you have a pen? B.
Mae arna I angen beiro.
Hefyd. I need a pen too. A. Okay, I'll find two. B. Great, also.
Oes arna I angen arian.
Do I need money? A. Nope, the coffee's on me, because I need you awake. B. Then I repeat.
Mae arna I angen coffi.
Culture tip. Year Widfa vibes. Pack your Welsh for the hills and the weather. On Snowdon, Year Widfa, a hiker pants.
Mae arna I angen dŵr.
And.
Mae arna I angen map.
Weather flips? Say.
Mae arna I angen cot.
I need a coat. Pro tip. Need versus want at altitude.
Mae arna I angen cymorth.
I need help, beats.
Dwi eisiau.
Every time. Drills. Repeat after me. Say it out loud, your future self will thank you. I need help.
Mae arna I angen cymorth.
I need money.
Mae arna I angen arian.
I need medicine.
Mae arna I angen meddyginiaeth.
I need nothing.
Mae arna I angen dim byd.
I don't need coffee.
Does dim angen arna I coffi.
Do I need to rest?
Oes arna I angen gorffwys.
Chant. I need.
Mae arna I angen.
I need.
Mae arna I angen.
Quick quiz. Test yourself, no pressure, just progress. Q1. How do you say, I need, in Welsh? A.
Mae arna I angen.
Q2. True or false?
Mae arna I angen.
Means, I want. A. False. I want, is.
Dwi eisiau.
Q3. Make it negative. I don't need a ticket. A.
Does dim angen arna I, tocyn.
Speed round. Say it fast.
Mae arna I angen.
Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, your Welsh toolkit just got stronger. You nailed the core phrase I need.
Mae arna I angen.
Plus past, future, negative, and questions. Keep practicing with real items around you: water, rest, help. Say them out loud in Welsh. Thanks for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, freebies, and practice drills. HWYL FAR